Hello everyone, today I'll be reviewing the Turkey Burrito Bowl by Fuel Your Body. So this one has turkey, beans, and rice. 398 calories, 32 grams of protein, 45 grams of carbohydrates, and 10 grams of fat. The ingredients being turkey, rice, black beans, chives, tomato, salsa, olive oil, and seasoning. It contains nut, gluten-free, and dairy-free. So I heated this up for a minute and a half. Smells delicious. I want to get right into this here. I love burrito bowls, the beans, the rice, the turkey. It all pairs amazing. Oh yeah. Really nice seasoning on the ground turkey. This tastes delicious. It also comes with a little thing of salsa, so I'm going to test that out as well. I love salsa, so. That salsa's really good. No surprise there though. Their sauces are usually on point. Very sweet salsa, but it goes really nicely with all this here. Now, I love salsa, so I want to review this. Very sweet salsa. Wasn't spicy. My favorite is spicy salsa, but this is a really nice sweet salsa. That's a 9 out of 10 salsa, I'd say. I'd buy a big tub of that. Now for this meal, this turkey, the black beans, and the rice, they just pair fantastic. And tomatoes in there too. The turkey is very lean. Turkey doesn't usually have much of a taste to it, but with the seasoning on here, this is really good. I'm a big fan of this. I'm not usually a turkey guy, but I'm gonna give this one more bite and I'll give my final review. The turkey burrito bowl is greatly seasoned. Not too seasoned though. It's just enough that gives it a good flavor. The beans and the rice all pair together fantastically. So I'm gonna give this one an 8 out of 10. I like the chicken burrito bowl a little bit better, but I'm a big chicken fan. If you love turkey, you're gonna love this. It's very healthy. It's got under 400 calories, 32 grams of protein. Amazing. So the macronutrients are gonna get an 8.5 out of 10. And overall, I'm gonna give this an 8.5 out of 10. Delicious, great macronutrients, and the salsa is a really nice touch. I really enjoyed this meal. You can check Fuel Your Body out at EatFYB.ca. You can order one-time meals off of there, or you can order a custom meal plan that you can have delivered to your door or dropped off at a few different locations around PEI. You can also check them out on Instagram at EatFYB. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.